Hello, to this video I'm gonna make a colorful, healthy mixed veggies salad. Here I already prepared and washed veggies, purplish cabbage, normal cabbage, a few leaves of parsley, red radish, and colored bell peppers. I used a portion of red bell pepper and a yellow bell pepper, some leaves of lettuce, tomatoes, a carrot, and cucumbers. So let's get started. Now the cabbage, the same cut, thin slices. Let's arrange them beside. Now let's cut the parsley. As you can see, I arranged them beside. Here's our red bell pepper. In cutting your veggies, it depends which one you want to cut first. It's up to you. And the way you cut also, either cubes or thin slices. Tomatoes. A radish. And now let's shred the carrot. Now here's our colorful mixed veggies. And now for our salad sauce, I'm gonna squeeze lemon, and we're gonna need pomegranate molasses. I need 2 spoons of pomegranate, and an olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add the squeezed lemon, and let's put a pinch of dried mint. And salt to taste, a teaspoon of salt, and mix them together. Now our salad sauce is done. Let's put all over our salad. Now mix all together the salad we cut. Now our mouth-watering mixed veggie salad is ready to serve. Hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to Venice Corner channel. Till next time.